Sometimes you believe they won't leave. You think they'll stay, no matter what happens. But one day, your phone goes silent. No messages, no calls, just an emptiness you weren't prepared for. The conversations you waited for, they fade into nothing. And slowly, you realize people don't always stay. The things you once called yours aren't yours anymore. The memories, the moments, even the little details you held on to, they begin to disappear. Clothes you once wore for someone mean nothing now. Places you shared feel unfamiliar. And piece by piece, you start falling apart. You wait, you hold on, you convince yourself they'll come back. But life doesn't stop for anyone. The same people who said, "I'll never change," change. The same hearts that once chose you learn to live without you. And one day, your name becomes just a memory on someone's lips, a story they used to tell, not something they live anymore. And that's when it hits you. This world keeps moving, with you or without you. No one pauses, no one waits forever. And in the end, we all walk our own path, alone. So in all this noise, in all this loss, in all this temporary love, remember something permanent. Remember your Lord. Because people forget. They move on. They replace. But He never forgets. When your heart feels heavy, turn to Him. When you feel lost, bow down, not just out of habit, but as if it's your last prostration. Because, maybe, in a world where everything leaves, He is the only one who never will.